I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan.
I'm waking up at like 11 in the morning, laying by the room, yo, it's just so boring. I'm eating Captain Crunch for lunch, too, I got issues, yeah, man, I got a bunch. Like late night fist fights, half pipes and dirt bikes. Yo, I love them all, so they label me an outlaw. But I still keep it raw. You don't have to respect me, you can love me or hate me, but I ain't gonna change it, you ain't gonna make it. The lyrical privilege, full pledge, living life on the edge. Straight out of control, self-proclaimed asshole. And I am what I am.
What I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am.
Thinking of my next hustle, looking for the next sorry fuck I can muscle. Talking shit for the fuck of it, running amok and still loving it. I'm hitting the road model, turning on the model. Hashtag t-shirts and baggy pants, putting in work, growing some bud plants. Oh, it's a hard life to live, but nothing's changed ever since I was a kid. So what fuck is something that I still don't give? Maybe it's in my dreams, maybe I was born to be spiteful and mean, but whatever it is, I wouldn't change a thing. It's all about living life in the fast lane.
I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm a hooligan. I am what I am and that's all that I am. I am what I am, I'm still a hooligan.
The West Coast bruiser, 5'9" cruiser, 100% natural born loser that never sold out, not even once. Dedicate my life to rocking Mike's dirt bikes and knocking out fronts. I menace to sobriety with the variety of mental problems I refuse to quit till I hit rock bottom. Addicted to Cadillacs, jumbo jacks, 12 packs and fat tracks. The local bar superstar whose mind scarred from punching the time card. A strip club stalker, late night streetwalker, a loner with the bone.